Welcome back, everybody. I am your fitness chef. My name is Brian, and today we are going to be doing a Whole30 whole food inspired salad with steak, and of course we're going to make a cilantro lime mayo. So let's get right into it. Here's today's video. So I'm going to show you what is going to be going into the mayonnaise and also the salad, and of course make it how you want to, but let me put on the screen exactly what I'm going to be putting into this dish. Half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, 4 limes juiced, a quarter cup of finely diced onion, 2 garlic cloves minced, 2 fresh cilantro, about a half a pound of beef, and I have a strip steak, and I did some salad greens, about 2 cups per serving, an avocado, half a cup of half cherry tomatoes, and some red and orange peppers. I add a half a cup of the cilantro lime mayo, which I will be showing exactly how to make the dish. So let's start prepping. Here comes the fun part. So we're gonna start by just making the basic mayo first, and again, here are the ingredients for just the basic mayo. So we have a 1 1/4 cup of light oil and 1 large egg, 1/2 of lemon or lime, and in this case, since it's a cilantro lime mayo, we're going to be using lime instead of the lemon. So we're going to get those ingredients prepped. I just finished making the mayo, and it's pretty easy, but I just have one little thing. I didn't realize that you are cooking, or you are putting in an egg into the mayo and you're not cooking it. So some people may have sensitive stomachs, so you might not want to use this specific mayo. You might just want to use your own dressing. Also, when making this mayo, you're gonna want to use a blender. It says you can mix it in a bowl, but it just doesn't work all that well, and it takes about 30 seconds just to throw everything in a blender and just blend it up slowly. We are finally done prepping all the vegetables, and we're moving on to starting to cook the steak. And they do have a special marinade, but for the steak specifically, but I'm just going to use my favorite Grill Mates seasoning for steak, and I'm just going to cook the steak how I like it on the stovetop, and that's kind of how I'm going to do it, and you can choose however you'd like. While the oven or the stovetop is preheating, you're going to add the oil. I already seasoned the steak. I seasoned it on both sides, and like I said before, marinate the steak, season the steak however you'd like. I don't want to take any more time to cook my meals than I have to, and seasoning is the best way for me. Let's add the steak into the pan, get it going. You know when the pan is nice and hot when it starts sizzling, and just remember, try to put the steak in the middle of the pan. It's the hottest and it'll cook the best. Alright, while the steak is cooking, I'm going to start putting the greens together and all the vegetables that I prepped into the bowl, and that's it. So pretty much I bought lettuce that was already ready to go in a bag, and there's actually 1 serving in the bag. So I'm going to just pour the whole bag into the bowl, put in all the vegetables, and just mix it up by hand. So here we go. Alright, it's time to finally flip the steak over. Lower the heat a little bit. See how for my liking, it's a little bit overcooked. I just plated up the steak. I sliced it thinly over the salad and then just drizzled the mayonnaise / dressing that I made. And yeah, so definitely an easy one to do. And if you're on a weight loss diet, a salad is a great way to do it. And I highly recommend you try a recipe similar to this, if not this exact one. it wraps up this video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, consider subscribing, and help support this channel. And I will see you guys next week, where I'll be coming back with another cooking video. See you next time.